Sound Associates in Yonkers, New York. Sawmill River Road. They've got my truck in a little holding pattern back here. It's kind of a mess. There's not a lot of room to maneuver back here. Cars everywhere. A car wash up in the distance behind me there. Sound Associates where we got to unload down that direction. And we got a bike path on the side here too. So yeah, this is a lot of fun in this place. All right, with the camera turned around here, show you what we can here. This is a line for a car wash. Now, when we come in off of Sawmill River Road, we go by this red light here. See the red light in the distance there, where that truck is coming out. And we dodge down in here, which is the entrance for the car wash. Star Auto Spa, it says, car wash, detailing, and oil change. So on the right here, this building is all Sound Associates. And we come right down in here, and then we have to make this crazy corner here to the left, and there just isn't enough room in this place. Now the nice side about it is Sound Associates will come out and help us get around here. They'll have employees move these cars, and we will be able to get around in here, but it's a bear. So they had me pull in down toward where I need to deliver down here, through that fence right there, where all those straight trucks are parked in a row. I've got to unload down in there. And once I was in there, then they had me back up into the dirt and grass over here, the other side of this bike path. Great holding pattern for me. So this is some of the fun we have to deal with here in Yonkers at Sound Associates. It may look bad, but it's not too bad. I've seen worse places. This one's just enough of a challenge to keep us occupied, you know? All right, with that, we will cut this video short. Everybody be safe, and we will catch you on the next one. If you like my video, subscribe, click like, share with your friends, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think.